Guys, and welcome to this lead quizzes video tutorial on how you can build your results in lead quizzes with the result builder, and how you can have an offer as well as a call to action in the result builder. Okay, now to get started, I already have my results text ready. So I'm going to create two results, male endomorph as well as female endomorph. Those are the two results I'm going to have in my quiz. Okay, now, and I already have the images ready, as well as I prepared a call to action button using Photoshop. Okay, so you can use Photoshop, prepare a call to action button, have whatever text you want to have in there, and you can add this to lead quizzes and hyperlink it. Okay, so now let's get on to creating our results. So the first step is you go to the result builder, you drag this to the results section on the right hand side. All right, now in here you have your result title, result description, and you have a couple of tabs in here that you can use to design as well as add a couple of features to your results. Okay, so in my first result I want to build, all right, so I want to have the offer. So to find out more about the result as well as get the free workout guides, I want to have the offer on the title. Okay, now you can go to preview and you can look at what that looks like. So offer is in there. Now next I want to have the button, so the call to action button. So I'm going to copy the note which says click the button below, go back, click the button below. Now next I want to have my button. Okay, so you go to the tab, this particular tab in here, you use this to add images. So if you click on that, it's going to take you to your desktop, and then you can look for the PNG button you created using Photoshop and you download it. Okay, so you click on that, you add it. Now you can see my button is in here. All right, now next I want to have the result title now. Okay, so the result is male endomorph. Next, the results text. All right, so the result headline as well as the result text. I want to copy that. I'm going to paste it in here. Then next, I want to have an image at the close. So I want to have this image. All right, so I have everything I want to have for my results. Now it's time to design it and style it. So first of all, I'm going to centralize this. Okay, so I have this in the center, make it large, make it bold. Okay, then I want to push this one up as well as centralize it, as well as the male endomorph, which is the result, make it large, put it at the center, the results description, make it large, put it to the center, but I'm not going to bold it. Then this is my result. Then finally the image. Okay, so let's see what that looks like. Now this is what this looks like. Okay, now you can add more style to this. So let's make this a different color. Let's say red. All right, let's say male endomorph. Let's put that on red as well. See what that looks like. Okay, so now that is on red, we can make this black and bold rather. And finally, we want to hyperlink our call to action. Okay, so I have the website in here. So I'm just going to highlight this, click on hyperlink, I'm going to paste the website in there. I'm going to save it. Okay, so this is what our result now looks like. Right, let's take away the spaces. Okay, so this is what the result looks like. Now bear in mind, I can save this and I can add a background image to this result. I can go in here, click on upload image, add a background image to this, but this image will appear throughout your entire quiz content. So the questions will have this image on the background as well as the result and the lead capture form. Okay, so my image is in there. I'm going to save it. Go back to build. Go to my result. All right, now we need to change the text. So let's change the text of the results to white. Okay, see what that looks like. Change this to white as well. Okay, then we'll save it. Then we need to change the headline to white as well. So we go to design, font color, put this on white. We'll save it. Back to the builder, results. Now that's what the result looks like. Okay, so this is one result you can create. So you can see for this one under the result title, I had my offer in there, then I had the call to action button, then I had my result title before my result text, then I had an image in there. This is the final result. Okay, so let's save this and let's move on to creating the second result. So the same process, result builder, you drag that in there, result title. So this one I'm going to actually have result title in there. So copy that, result title, the first thing. Next, result description. I want to have that in there. It's already on large and we want to bold it. And preview, okay. Next, we want to have the text. So text is in there. Next, we want to have video. So this is my YouTube video. You go to the video tab, you click on that, you add your video, click on save. Now it's going to pull in the video. And that is the video in there. All right, now next we want to have our offer. So to find out more and to claim a free workout guide, click the button below. So I'm going to copy that. Offer text, I'm going to have that in there. Let's make this large and we'll centralize it. Then next, finally, we want to have our button. And now we have our button in there. Centralize the button. and then we add our hyperlink. So this can be a link to your website or a landing page or whatever. All right, or to download a free ebook. So we go to the hyperlink text and we paste that in there and we save it. Okay, let's see what that looks like. We need to change this to white because of the background image we have in there. So white, white. Okay, preview. And this is what the result looks like. So you can see we have a video, we have the offer text, we have the call to action button, we have the results text, result title, result description above. And that's what the result looks like. All right, so you can see with LeadQuiz's result builder, you can build different kind of results and have your quiz all set up. Thank you.